Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us in today's webinar. I am Dixon Akello, product expert at BoldDesk. BoldDesk is a customer support solution by Syncfusion, built to help support teams act fast, stay in control, and operate with confidence during ticket surges, growing ticket queues, and high-pressure customer situations. Today, I'll walk you through a crisis-ready support strategies your support team can implement immediately to reduce impact, stabilize workflows, and respond quickly, no matter how intense the situations become. Before we dive in here, let's see what we are going to cover today. First is why support teams struggle. We'll examine the most common challenges teams face, whether or not they already use a ticketing system. Next is how to manage support crises using BoldDesk. We look at real operational issues, ticket surges, ticket queues, angry customers, and explore how BoldDesk can help you regain control in a live demonstration. We'll finalize with live Q&A session and we'll address your questions in a live interaction. I am going to be live in the chat. If you come across any question or comment, please post it there. I'll be responding in real time. Why do support teams struggle? Let's begin by understanding what causes crisis in support operations. First is sudden ticket overload. Surges can happen without warning. It can be out of outage, a bug, a failed deployment, a payment gateway problem, and suddenly the entire support team is overwhelmed. When tickets volume doubles or triples, manual processes collapse, response slow, queues grow, and customers become impatient. Think back to the biggest surge your team ever faced. Moments like that stick forever. They become the stories teams share. Remember that day when 400 tickets landed in 10 minutes. Surges expose weaknesses instantly. Next is limited visibility. When issues aren't properly tracked or routed, tickets disappear into the void. Agents waste time figuring out which tickets belong to whom, whether an issue is urgent, what needs escalation. Without clear visibility, prioritization becomes guesswork, and critical issues often get buried. Customers start following up repeatedly, adding unnecessary pressure to your support team. Thirdly is emotional pressure. Support agents are human, right? A message written in frustration or anger can instantly increase stress. Multiply that by dozens of conversations, and the mental strain becomes significant. Over time, this pressure leads to burnout, low morale, slower responses, and loss of focus. Support teams must stay calm, organized, and in control, even when interactions are emotionally charged. Fourth one is tool limitation. Some support systems simply don't keep up, forcing agents to perform repetitive actions manually. Without automation, smart routing, efficient workflows, or real-time insights, agents spend more time managing the tool than supporting the customer. And lastly is time sensitivity. Some customer issues cannot wait. Delays can result in lost revenue, escalations, negative reviews, compliance violations, or can damage the trust. Customers reach out because they need something resolved now, not later. Slow responses often feel worse than no response. I have a very quick poll for you. What is the biggest support challenge in your organization? You will find the poll in the chat. Please share your vote on this. Is it ticket overload, time sensitivity, limited visibility of support queries, emotional pressure from angry customers, tool limitation leading to manual processes, or you may have others? I'll give you a moment to respond to this poll. Let me see them coming. Thank you for responding. I can see some suggestions are coming in. That's great. These challenges negatively impact support teams. When crises happen, they easily wear down. Stress builds up, they get tired, and morale drops. When that happens, it becomes harder for them to stay sharp and handle the workload effectively. Don't let your support agents feel overwhelmed during crisis. What they need is BoldDesk, a smart tool that simplifies crisis management and keeps service smooth. Let's imagine this. Your application runs into a serious bug affecting 500 plus customers at once. Messages start rolling in via email, chat, social medias. Everyone needs help right now. Agents start replying, but tickets multiply faster than they can respond. Frustration builds fast. A message turns sharp, impatient, and even angry. Within minutes, tickets pile up like a storm, and their clock is ticking. Your support team feels the heat. They are trying to respond, but the number of tickets seem endless. They get tense and stress levels shoot as the ticket queue grows and angry messages keeps coming. Every new notifications feel like another hit. At this point, it feels like everything goes dark. No clear plan, no visibility, just mounting chaos. Some team members might even feel like giving up. And that's where BoldDesk steps in as your illumination point, bringing clarity, control, and confidence to your support team. With powerful features within reach, you can handle any crisis without losing control, clarity, or speed. Let's now dive into the demo and see the BoldDesk features that are useful in managing surges, overgrown ticket queues, and angry customers. Let's begin with ticket automation features. Ticket automation helps to automate workflows to stay crisis ready. During crisis, every email looks critical and manual actions slow you down and create chaos. Automation ensures speed, accuracy, and priority care for VIP clients, keeping your team in control by handling repetitive tasks instantly. In this demo, I'll focus on two powerful automation workflows that manages tickets as they come in. These are auto assignment and create ticket triggers. This table describes how they manage crises that happens in our day-to-day support operations. Auto assignments for surges, it instantly routes tickets to the right team, avoiding manual sorting. For the overgrown ticket queues, it distributes workloads evenly to prevent pile-up. And for angry customers, it ensures that VIP accounts get priority routing for immediate attention. Ticket triggers for surges sends instant acknowledgement to reduce customer anxiety and also categorizes tickets for quick prioritization. And finally, auto replies show care and responsiveness for angry customers. Let's start with auto assignment and how to set it up. Imagine when 50 outage related tickets arrive within 10 minutes. Without automation, your team spend more time sorting than resolving. To create these rules, I access BoldDesk account as an admin. And first, we have to set up teams. Here, I can organize my support staff based on departments. I search for teams or groups and select it. I click Create Group and I enter the group name. Once I create this group, I need to associate agents with this group. I then select the agents who belong to the group and save the changes. I then proceed to set up auto assignment workflows. I open and expand the ticket automation menu and select auto assignment option. This will list the configured rules. I click Add Rule to create a new one. Next, I provide the rule name, its description. I proceed to select the conditions that must be met for the rule to trigger. I can use the subject or description content to refine conditions that can match the surge or outage related queries for quick action. I select subject, contains, and I enter the keywords to be checked. I also add another condition for description keywords. Conditions can be set using any other fields available in the system, whether they are default or custom fields. This is very flexible configuration to allow you refine conditions to your specific use case. I click Next to select the team to be assigned those particular tickets. Here I can choose to use load-based or event distribution to ensure proper workload is assigned to the right team. I click Add to save and activate the rule. Any new ticket that matches the conditions defined are automatically assigned to the appropriate team. Every rule that runs on a ticket is automatically captured in the ticket history, giving your team full visibility. Let's move to the create ticket triggers that automate actions upon ticket creation. During surges, you need instant structuring. Whether it is category, priority, tags, replies, this should be done without touching every ticket. To set up these rules, I navigate back to the automation section and I open Create Ticket Trigger option. Let's see a sample rule here. It has a name and a condition set already. On the Actions tab, actions to be performed are defined, like set ticket category, priority, add tags, and also send an email or update ticket reply. When any ticket is created and matches the condition, the actions will be applied automatically. Once automation classifies and prioritizes every incoming outage ticket, SLA takes over the timing. They enforce how fast our teams respond, send reminders and deadlines approach, and escalate to leaders if anything risks breaching, ensuring tickets are handled on time. In the automation section, open SLA module and click Add SLA. I enter its name and set the conditions. This can be based on category, issue type, or any other field you use to identify outage-related tickets. Next, I configure the SLA targets for each priority level. Critical tickets need the fastest response and resolution, and the hierarchy continues down through high, normal, and low priorities. To ensure nothing slips during a surge, I enable reminder for each priority. I choose when the reminder should be sent and who should receive it, whether it's the assigned agent or the entire group. Then, under escalation settings, I select when escalation notifications will be triggered and who should be alerted if any SLA is breached. Once everything is set, I simply click Save and the SLA is activated. A very quick poll again. Which workflows would you most like to automate in your support process? Whether it is SLAs, ticket assignments, status updates, category updates, auto reply. I'll give you a few seconds to cast your vote on this poll. Let me see them coming. Okay, thank you once again. We are going to proceed to the next feature called canned responses. These are pre-built communication templates that support team users to send consistent updates instantly without drafting messages from scratch. This ensures that tone and details are uniform to all your clients. During surges, speed matters a lot, and empathy-driven content cools the clients. Imagine during a major outage, 200 customers ask the same question. When will this be fixed? Agents should not write the same reply 200 times. They need to use predefined response template. To create one, open your admin center and search for canned response. Open it to see a list of already saved response templates categorized based on their purpose. In this demo, we'll design a tailored canned response specifically for bug-related issues. I first create a category for the template. To do this, I click Add Category. Then I provide the category name and click Add. I then proceed to create a template under this category. I click Add Canned Response option. I enter the title, its description. The template should address the issue and understand the feelings of the clients. They are empathy-driven, customer-centered, and context-aware in nature, ensuring every reply feels personalized, supportive, and aligned with the customer unique situation. I choose the access scope, either private or public, but to share the template with other agents within the organization, I select public and confirm its category. I click Add to save the template. Agents can access templates and use them to quickly respond to support queries. I open a ticket to be updated and expand the reply section. Here, I click Use Scan Response option to open the template selection window. I use the filter to quickly view templates based on their categories and select the template to use. Its content will be populated in the reply text editor section, ready for update. This feature cuts response time dramatically and avoids miscommunication during high-pressure moments. Instead of scrambling for words, your team on a single click sends pre-approved response messages, clear, professional, and fast. You can send a message that says, "We understand how critical this is for you, and we are working on it right now." That's empathy in action. The third feature is ticket macros. Ticket macros are automated actions that can be triggered on a single click. They can be used to update multiple ticket fields, including adding a ticket reply, speeding up handling repetitive queries during surges. Imagine 40 duplicate bug tickets appear. Each needs to be tagged, assigned, prioritized, updated with the same reply. Doing this manually is exhausting. Use ticket macros. To create one, search for the macro in the admin center under Help Desk Configuration section. Click it to find the list of saved macros and click Add Macros to add a new one. Enter its name, description, and select Public or Group in the access scope to share it with other agents or teams. Proceed and specify actions to be performed by this macro. Here, you can set multiple actions like to update other ticket fields, including sending emails to users, adding ticket reply and notes. Once all the actions are defined, click Add to save it. To use the macro, open a ticket to be updated and click Macro to display a list of saved macros. Select the preferred macro, preview the actions, and apply once confirmation is done, and the actions will be performed. Instead of updating each field one by one, your team clicks a macro and moves to the next ticket instantly. Say no to single ticket update, especially during surges and when ticket queues is overgrown. Let's move to the next feature called Ticket Bulk Update. The BoldDesk Bulk Update feature allows agents to update hundreds of tickets at once with the same status or message. This keeps customers informed quickly and reduces manual workload. To bulk update tickets, open the Tickets module and select the tickets to be updated from the list. This process will activate the bulk actions. At the top of the page, select the Update option and enable the ticket fields. Provide their details to be updated, and here you can include adding a note and a public reply. Once all the fields are provided, click Next and review the updates to be made. To complete the process, click Update. The selected fields will be updated as defined. In this bulk update, you can also use macros to perform multiple actions on multiple tickets in one go. This saves time and effort when handling surges. Imagine sending a consistent update to 200 tickets in seconds. Everyone gets the same clear message, and your team saves hours. The fifth feature is BoldDesk Knowledge Base. Knowledge Base is a centralized repository of help articles, FAQs, and troubleshooting guides. It helps reduce ticket volumes and empowers customers to find answers quickly and independently, leading to faster resolution and improved customer satisfaction. Let's now set up a knowledge base in BoldDesk. First, let me show you where to create articles and organize them into categories. In the Agent Portal, Knowledge Base module, agents can create categories and then create articles and publish them. Categories will help in quick navigation, through their help articles. To view published articles, knowledge base should be enabled in the customer portal. To enable the knowledge base portal, I open the admin center and go to the customer portal settings. Under the knowledge base tab, I enable and customize it based on my preference. Users will access all the self-service articles from the customer portal based on access permission, allowing them to resolve their issues without submitting support tickets. Let's see another feature, AI-powered Copilot and chatbots. AI chatbots handles common queries instantly, reducing agent workload and wait time. In the AI configuration module, there is agent option. I can create AI agents that sources information from knowledge base, Q&As, files, and web pages. AI agents can be enabled in the live chat, web widgets, and on social media platforms. For this case, first, I'll show you how to enable AI agent in the widget. I'll edit one of the already created widgets and enable the AI agent. Therefore, I open the admin center and go to the chat configuration tab. I select live chat under channels and open the widget from the listed widgets. In the widget's general setting, I ensure the AI agent option is enabled and I select AI agent to use. The live chat widget can be embedded into your website or your mobile application. By using the live chat widget, AI agents independently manage and resolve customer queries, eliminating the need for manual intervention. Instead of 150 live chats hitting agents, the AI resolves 100 instantly and forwards only the complex 50 to your support team. By taking over routine and repetitive questions, they reduce ticket volume, save support teams countless hours. Let's look at how AI agents extend beyond your help center and goes to the social media platforms. As we all know, customers no longer reach out through just one channel. Most businesses now interact with their customers through WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and even Telegram. These platforms are where conversations happen naturally, and with BoldDesk, you can bring all of these interactions into one unified omnichannel experience. BoldDesk integrates seamlessly with these social media platforms, allowing you to track every comment, direct message, or inquiry your customers send. Nothing falls through the cracks, and every interactions become a chat your teams can manage effectively. Please check on the chat. We have posted an interesting poll for you. Which social media platforms are you currently using or planning to use to engage with your customers? Go ahead and cast your vote. I'm curious to see where most of you are active today. I'll give you a few moments to respond to the poll. Let me see your responses coming. That's great. Thank you for responding to the poll. Let's proceed and see how you can enable AI agent into your social media platform. Inside your chat settings, you'll find all the social media platforms that BoldDesk support. If you already added your social media channel, great. Let me now show you how to enable the AI agent for those channels. I select the social media channel already integrated. Under the configuration section, you will see the option to enable AI agent. Simply toggle it on and choose the AI agent you want in this channel. Click Update to save the changes. That's it. Your AI agent is now active for your platform. From this point forward, whenever a customer sends a direct message or comments on your post, the AI agent will instantly respond. Let's now see how AI Copilot is valuable to the support team. The AI Copilot helps support team in suggesting responses on the context of the support inquiry, saving time and effort used in manual drafting of ticket responses. Enable this feature in the AI settings under the AI Copilot features. In the ticket replies section, agents will see the Use Copilot option. Click it and ask the question, or click the Generate Response to Customer Query option. It instantly suggests a ready-to-send response and provides relevant article links for quick reference. When agent is dealing with back-to-back angry customers, Copilot instantly drafts a calm, professional message. Additionally, you can incorporate AI Copilot placeholder for the answer suggestion in the create ticket notification template. This feature automates support by suggesting relevant answers to newly created tickets based on their context. Ultimately, all these features ensure your support team can deliver fast, reliable service even during high pressure moments, so your customers stay supported throughout any crisis. During major incidents, customers often submit multiple tickets about the same issue, which quickly inflates your ticket queues. To handle this efficiently, BoldDesk offers the automatic ticket feature. From the admin portal, I open the marketplace, search for automatic tickets, and install it. Once installed, I click Manage to create my emerging rules. Here, I define how the system should detect duplicates, for example, tickets from the same requester with similar subject within certain time window. This lets the system automatically merge multiple outage-related tickets into a single primary ticket. Under the merge actions, I choose what happens next, whether to keep the newest or oldest ticket as the primary, whether to pull CCs across, and whether to include notes so everything stays transparent. Once I save the rule, the system works automatically in the background. The secondary tickets are closed or linked and tagged as merged, keeping the queue clean and organized. So instead of agents handling 10 duplicate tickets from the same customer, they only work on one, reducing noise and clearing ticket queues much faster. Which of these features will be the most valuable for your team during support crisis? Is it canned responses, macros, ticket bulk update, AI Copilot and agents, knowledge base, automation workflows, automate feature? Let me see you responding to the poll. Check on the chat to find this poll posted. I'll give you a few minutes to respond. Let me check your responses. Thank you. I believe we all have our unique approaches in managing crisis, especially angry customers. I have a very open query for you. What's your best tip for calming an angry customer? Use the chat to drop your ideas. I'd love to see your strategies. Crisis ready support is not about reacting. It is about reducing impact before chaos spread, such as overgrown ticket queues, angry customers handled fast with confidence. BoldDesk ensures your support team can deliver fast, reliable service, even during high pressure moments, so your customers stay supported throughout any crisis. Let's see what we have just covered in a summary. We discussed the common challenges we faced in our day-to-day support operations and how they impact the support team. We also discussed how we can manage crises with BoldDesk. And this marks the end of this webinar. Thank you for joining us today and staying up to this end. I'll now open the floor for questions. Use the chat to submit your queries and we'll be responding in real time.